Hey everyone, welcome to the session again, guys. So in the last session, we have discussed about pattern matching, right? Now in today's session, we are going to discuss about more advanced pattern matching, right? So we are going to discuss in today's session about the regular expression, okay? So what is regular expression? So regular expression is like in MySQL that is used to match text pattern, okay? So we using regular expression, you can say class that basically help to find advanced pattern that is present in my name, okay, or any column. So it is more powerful than like, right? Till now we're using like operator, like and wildcard. So reg expression is more powerful than like, okay, because it can check multiple complex pattern in one condition, okay. So let's see, for example, if you see the syntax, what is syntax of regular expression? So you can see select column name from the table name. This is a normal general syntax. Here I mentioned the condition where column name, right? And then regexp is my class name, or you can say the command that we're going to use for finding the pattern. Okay. So this is just the basic syntax of my regex. Okay. So now you can see in regexp, okay, what are the patterns? Okay. So pattern matching characters are this one. Pattern matching symbols, you can see, let's say this one. Okay. So this is so till now using like. So like is used for simple pattern matching, and regexp is used to find the advanced pattern. Okay, so till now we're using wildcard symbol like percent symbol, underscore symbol, percent symbol like that, like after a, right, any number of character can come. Okay, underscore says that this limited number of characters should be present in the string, right? So that we did in the like class. Okay, now let's talk about the advanced regular expression. So here this cap, this cap symbol says is like same as a percentage symbol, right? You can select the name that started with this a character like that. Okay, so in that way we can use for cap. Similarly, we have dollar symbol. Dollar symbol is used when I want to find key, I want to print those names that end with n or that end with a. Okay, so on that case we use dollar symbol. Okay, then come to square bracket. So square bracket says, right, I want to print those string that whose character will lie in the square bracket. Okay, so on that case square bracket. So we will see this practically one by one so that we will get better understanding. Okay, so let's see, I want to print those names from my table, right, whose name started with a. Okay, so you can see it is using cap. So let's implement this practically in a MySQL Workbench. So first I select the office, use office. Then I write here, select star from employee, semicolon. So if I execute this code, what I will get it. So here I get my employee table whose name started with different characters, right? So suppose I want to print those names that started with the A. Okay. So what I can do, I can write here, select star from employee where f name, right, where f name, we have to mention regexp. Okay, where f name regexp. Okay, here we have to write the pattern inside the single double apostrophes. So right here, cap symbol, then j, close apostrophe, semicolon. Okay, so let's execute this code. So you can see it is printing those names that started with j. Can you see here? It is printing all those names that started with J. So you can see J started with John, Joyce, James, Jennifer's, right? Similarly, if I want to print those names, suppose that started with JO. So what I can do on that case, I can simply write select star from employee where f name regexp cap jo. Okay, close apostrophe semicolon. So if I execute this code, so you can see it is printing those names that started with John, J-O. Okay. So in that way, we can use cap characters. Now, here, let me print the employee name again. I want to print those names that end with N. Can you see that ending with the N? So what I can do, I can write here, select star from employer where F name reg xp N end. Okay. So here it will print those names that ending with N. So let me check the PPT. I hope code is correct. Okay, it was dollar symbol. Sorry. Here it should be dollar symbol. So now execute this code. So you can see it is printing all those names that ending with N character. Okay. So that is called regexp. Okay. So basically it is printing all those names that ending with N characters. Okay. So if you print those name employee, so you can see ending with N only John and Franklin. Okay. There's no other name that ending with N. Okay. So I hope guys this section is clear how I can do it. Suppose I want to print those names that end with suppose ER. Suppose Jennifer ER. So what I can do on that case, I can simply write select star from employee where F name regexp. Okay. I said ER dollar symbol. Okay. So let's execute this code and you can see only Jennifer. So Jennifer is the only name that ending with ER, right? So in that way, we can print complex pattern, okay, in my text characters. Okay. Now let's come to the next point. I want to print those names that start with either J or either R. Okay. So here, how I can do that? We can use square bracket, and outside of square bracket, I should use cap. Okay. So what happened? It will print those names that started with J or it started with R. Okay. So how I can do that? I can write here select star from employer where F name reg exp apostrophe. I said where F name cap, right? I said A or J. Okay. Semicolon. Here I'm saying I want to print those names that either started with A character or J character. Let's say it is working or not. Yes, so you can say it is working. So it is printing all those names that started with J or either A. Okay. So in that way, you can use this list and the cap symbol. Okay. So if you want to like multiple condition, like those names that start with A or J or M, so you can mention it here. Okay. In this list and it will workable. Now, the next one is that here I will write select star from employee. Suppose I want to print those names, okay, that not that will not started with J and A. Suppose I want to print those. I want to print all those names except that started with J or R. Okay. So how we can do that? So I can write here select star from employee where F name reg exp. Okay. Square bracket. Okay. Outside square bracket cap will come. Cap will come. Okay. J F. Okay. Now if I run this code, so except those names that start with J and F, it will print all those names. Can you see? Except J and F, it is printing all other names. Okay. So in that way, we can use list, like we can say square bracket syntax, right? That will help us to perform multiple filtration, multiple pattern matching. Okay. So that is about the guys wildcards. Okay. That is called about the RegExp. Okay. So here R, you can see here, basically, if I write normal RJ, cap RJ, so it will print those names that start with either J or either R. Okay. But if it here, if I put two cap, so that means I can say I want to print those names that will print except R and J character. Okay. So in that way, we can use RegExp library. Okay. So I hope everyone, this RegExp is clear. Okay. It is same as like wildcard, but it's advanced than wildcard. Okay. So I hope this section is clear. So let's meet in next sessions. Have a great day. Thank you.